Hello and welcome to another update video about ETHBTC, a very choppy chart as most of the BTC charts are. We see a lot of corrective price action on these BTC charts and they are not really moving clearly in impulses. Yeah, so the ETHBTC chart just it has been a while. The overall trend, in my opinion, is up. I would expect further upside for ETHBTC. A few people asked in the last video, what's the purpose of an ETHBTC chart? So first of all, it's just a trading pair, so people trade it. But also it tells you which coin should be outperforming which one, which is going to be stronger most likely. Now here you can see we're basically moving in a range, very balanced since 21, really up and down a bit, but not really any trend change. The current my view is that we moved here in a triangle, which topped or ended in March 23. So let's zoom in. This was a wave X high, which I see as finished. And then we should be coming down in a Y wave. And my primary count suggests that this is an A, B, C structure. So let me see. Yeah, so the primary count would suggest that we came down in an A wave here. At the time I did suggest it would go down deeper straight away, but it has taken its time here. Yeah, but this count basically is valid as long as this E wave high stays intact. So that would be a move above 0.0736 would invalidate that. But until then, my opinion is the focus is here on the downside and in an ABC structure, and disregard the orange count for now. So the focus would be on the downside, and I could say that after this B wave top, which was formed on the 18th of April, the move down of that high was a wave 1. We're now moving up in a wave 2, and that could have been an A, B, and C as an ending diagonal. And we could then flush down in a third wave. Then there should be a fourth and a fifth to complete that C wave. Okay, that's my view, getting into this green area between 0.048 and 0.062. Yeah, and let's see in this, let's say, short-term bearish count where, let's draw the fib retracements, and we are now at the golden ratio at 0.068. So this is an ideal spot to turn around. If not here, then 0.0695. And if it goes above that 78.6 retracement at 0.0695, something more bullish might be going on. And then we could be looking potentially at the orange count here, which would suggest that we rallied off the April low in a wave 1. We've come down in a wave 2. Yeah, but this would be extremely messy here. I don't believe that count at all. This would be a leading diagonal in the first wave of the third wave. So very messy. The orange count is clearly not preferred. I would prefer further downside, but it is very stubborn as well. And yeah, all the levels should be clear now. That it comes down, yeah, to confirm that, a break below that wave 2 low of the 29th of April would be needed. That's below 0.064. Yeah, that's my update about ETHBTC. At the moment, very balanced, but a flush to the downside is anticipated. Now, what would that mean? That means that Bitcoin is going to outperform Ethereum in the short term before we see a turnaround at some point, and Ethereum should then catch up. Yeah, and that might also be a possible explanation why I, based on the wave count that I have on the Ethereum USD chart compared to Bitcoin USD, why Ethereum USD might actually get 1 or 2 more lows than Bitcoin. But I'm not sure how this will turn out in the end, but this would be a possible explanation. If we get that breakdown, then that would be an explanation why, because Bitcoin would hold the support area much better than Ethereum. Yeah, that's my update about ETHBTC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.